Okay, people, this is a minute or 5 pager going off for a bunch of calls I have recorded on here. Hope this goes well. Thank you. And this is off of a minute or 5.
East Township 928 Broad Street, Kaufman residence, dwelling. Engine 32-1, engine 33-1, engine 301, engine 33-2, engine 3-1, rescue 39, tanker 32, tanker 3, tanker 39, tanker 30, truck 39, ambulance 319-1. East Township 928 Broad Street, a dwelling. Ambulance 319-1, class 3, 1246. East Cocalico Township, route 222 southbound, area of the Denver exit, vehicle accident, possibly involving fire, ambulance 17, class 1, engine 17-1, squad 17-1. East Cocalico Township, route 222 southbound, area of the Denver exit for a vehicle accident, possibly involving fire, ambulance 17, class 1. 6:30. East Cocalico Township. Route 222 south in the area of the Denver exit. A vehicle accident, possibly involving fire, ambulance 17, medic 4, class 1, engine 17-1, squad 17-1. East Cocalico Township. Route 222 southbound in the area of the Denver exit. A vehicle accident, possibly involving fire, ambulance 17, medic 4, class 1, 625.
West Cocalico Township, Route 897, North Cocalico Road, a vehicle accident. Engine 19-1, squad 19-1, ambulance 181. West Cocalico Township, Route 897, North Cocalico Road, a vehicle accident. Ambulance 181, class 2, 1502.
East Cocalico Township, in the area of 65 South Line Road, an unknown type fire. Engine 17-3, tanker 17-3, squad 17-3. East Cocalico Township, in the area of 65 South Line Road, an unknown type fire, 1826. East Cocalico Township, in the 1200 block of North Reading Road, for traffic control station 17 fire, please. East Cocalico Township, in the 1200 block of North Reading Road for traffic control station 17 fire, please. 1739.
Clay Township, 109 Bloomfield Drive for alarm bells, engine 14-1, tanker 14. Clay Township, 109 Bloomfield Drive for alarm bells, 2021. Clay Township, 109 Bloomfield Drive for alarm bells, engine 14-1, tanker 14.
Dry Tavern Road, 5 Pointville Fire Department for an automatic fire alarm, engine 32-1, tanker 32. Brecknock Township, 1087 Dry Tavern Road at 5 Pointville Fire Department for an automatic fire alarm, 1844. Clay Township, 641 Ridgeview Drive, the Heston residence for automatic fire alarm, tanker 14. Clay Township, 641 Ridgeview Drive for automatic fire alarm, 1349. Clay Township, 641 Ridgeview Drive, the Heston residence for automatic fire alarm, engine 14-1, tanker 14. Clay Township, 641 Ridgeview Drive, the Heston residence for automatic fire alarm, 1345.